Funfetti Gooey bars. These are cake bars with a super gooey center with tons of sprinkles. Oh, I know you're gonna love them. They're amazing.
We're gonna start off with a half of a cup of unsalted butter. Make sure that it's softened. And you're going to add a box of yellow cake mix. It's about a 15-ounce box. Now you can use this with any flavor cake mix that you want at all. Then you're gonna add 1 large egg to this. So it's just 3 main ingredients for the cake bars, and you can use any flavor cake mix, but I love a yellow cake mix. It kind of tastes like yellow cake in a bar form. Once this mixes together, it's going to take a long time for this to come together, especially if you're using a hand mixer. A stand mixer will be faster, but just keep mixing. It will come together. As you can see, it comes together into like a cohesive, thick cookie dough. So don't despair.
This is the first recipe I ever made that went viral, and it has been made so many times, everyone loves them.
Once it comes together, add 2/3 of a cup of sprinkles, and then you're gonna mix that all together until it comes together. Then you're gonna put about half to 2/3 of the dough in the bottom of a 9x9 inch pan. I always line mine with foil for easy removal. Spray it with cooking spray or grease it. Press that into the bottom, about half to 2/3 of the batter, and then you're going to spreads half of a cup of sweetened condensed milk over the top. Try and avoid the edges, otherwise it'll kind of turn brown and bubble up. And you're going to add 1 cup of white chocolate chips to this on top. Then drop the remaining batter on the top and kind of press it flat and drop it on top. Seal the edges first so that that milk doesn't like come out and bubble up, and then just kind of spread it as much as you can. It's not going to be a completely covered top, but that's fine. Just do the best that you can with your fingers. Then you're gonna bake this at 350 degrees until it's golden brown, about 25 to 30 minutes. Let these cool completely before you try and cut them, or they'll just be gooey and fall apart. These are so good.
Cannot go wrong with this recipe. Cake mix, sprinkles, sweetened condensed milk. There is not one thing in that sentence that I do not love. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more desserts.